Hi there friends, again a new video on our YouTube channel. Today I am going to share with you how I am getting over $100 every month just from the internet without spending a lot of time in front of the screen. To be honest with you, some months I didn't spend even 1 hour on working online, but I still get over $100 every month. Wow, that is very wonderful, I know that. Just watch for the next 3 minutes to understand how to do it for yourselves. Before that, as usual on our YouTube channel, we will help one of our YouTube friends in order to grow his YouTube channel. This time his turn for Music Master to get his free shout out. So please visit his channel, watch his videos and like it, but don't forget to click on subscribe button to help him achieve his first 1000 subscribers. Honestly, he has a wonderful music videos which I personally enjoyed all my support, dear friend. So if you are interested also in getting your free shout out, tell me in comments and don't forget to support us by subscribing to our channel. So I'm not going to let you wait for more by introducing possible ways to earn online, such as being a dropshipper or a freelancer, etc. No, my method is very easy, and since you are watching this video, I am sure you will have a lot of ideas about my method to earn over $100 a month. Simply, it is YouTube. Yes, it is YouTube. As you see, my friends, this is my channel analytics for the last year. I have made over $100 every month since July 2020. Exactly in July, I earned $108. Then in August, I earned $147. In September, I made $120, etc. as you see in the analytics. So those numbers are a big proof that my method is totally working. Some of you will say that this is simple. A lot of people around the world are making money through YouTube. But if you take another look into my channel analytics, you will discover that I didn't upload many videos in this period. Since I activated monetization for my YouTube channel, I just uploaded few videos in the last 5 months, exactly 3 videos, but at the same time still earning money. Simply, I exploited the quarantine days last year to upload videos with high search tendency on YouTube. Yes, my videos still getting a lot of views, even I uploaded them nearly a year ago. I am getting the results of the hard work I did on the quarantine days. So my friends, I am sure you will say why not to do the same work and earn more on YouTube. Totally agree with you, just some wrong choices. Coming back to our topic, all that you have to do is to search for topics with high demand on YouTube and make videos about it to get more audience for your videos, than increasing your revenue from AdSense. By the way, if you didn't activate monetization yet, or you didn't have enough subscribers and public watch time to apply for the YouTube Partner Program, you can check my channel videos to discover how to get free subscribers easily and how to complete 4,000 public watching hours. At the end, my friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get our new videos. Thanks for watching and see you on the next time. Thanks.